It's so cold out here, sweetie pies. Oh my goodness. Baby went in to pick up the boys. It's early, it's like 7. Nope, actually it's 8 o'clock now. In the morning, we have to close on the house today. And we have to put up some screens. We have to pressure wash. We just have to button up a couple of things outside in this cold weather. Oh my goodness. We've been working all weekend diligently to close on this house today. And it's looking good. I'm going to do a walkthrough for you guys today. And next Wednesday, the other house is due. And we're in tip-top shape. We just have a couple of siding pieces on the exterior of the home to replace and repair and replace and do touch-up paint on that. Put in a couple of vanities and do that. The cabinets went up yesterday on the other property, not the property that we're closing on today, but the cabinets went up yesterday. So that's good because we demoed the kitchen. We took the cabinets, the upper cabinets and the lower cabinets out. Now they're being replaced, and now we're waiting on the appliances to be delivered at the other house. What's so good about this is that these two houses are on the same block. So, yeah. So grateful for that. The other house before this one that we painted white and black shutters, and I was just giving you guys an update weekly on that. Done, over with. I'll be sharing the final details on that one. It should be in the video before this one. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me. I'm not sure because I have a lot of editing to do. But yeah, this is how your girl be out here in the mornings working. It's all about warmth. Just got some sweatpants on. If you've never been to Great Wolf Lodge here in Georgia, what is life? One year we went like 3 times. It was ridiculous. But yes, the indoor pool is awesome. The rooms themselves are freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm just rambling. I just wanted to stop in and say hello. This. Oh, update on my teeth. Update on my teeth. I have an appointment December 6th with an oral surgeon. So they're going to assess everything and schedule out when I'm going to get teeth pulled and be in pain. I think they're going to put me to sleep. I've been nervous about that because I haven't been put to sleep in like a few years, and I told myself that I wasn't going to be put back to sleep. I don't really like anesthesia, and my low blood situation, I don't know. I really haven't given it that much thought. Because at the end of the day, if it is what it is, for me to get everything done, that it's what it's going to be. Because I have multiple situations going on that I showed you guys in my last braces vlog, that I have to get 2 extractions, 1 crown, it's going down in here, and taking off these brackets. It's over. I'll be able to do so many things that I haven't been able to do because these are rubbing on my lips on the inside. But you. Hubby had to reschedule his dentist appointment as well. um, because he has a two-part um, situation that he has to handle, and scheduling, because we've been on these houses, um, has been difficult. So he's gonna reschedule when we close on these houses this time. Give ourselves a little break, because we haven't had a break in like ever. Like it's been like on and on and on and on with each house. Like we just been working really really hard Georgia streets. But yeah, it's been like 7, 8 minutes now. They should be coming out because we have to go get gas. We did not feel like getting gas last night. So what other update do I have to give you guys? These vlogs are about to be like lit. I'm gonna start doing more DIYs on this channel, because I know that's what you guys come here for. And my life has not been set up that way to just be doing DIYs and stuff like that. Here's hubby. I think he's coming. Oh, he made a cup of coffee.
Get in on the other side.
Say hi.
What it do?
Where Jason? He is coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good to see you.
Hello.
Hey.
I paused it because it was, yeah. All right. I will speak to you guys later. I'm getting cut off, or my train of thought is.
J-Rod tweaking. He ain't got the hoodie.
Oh, he gonna be cold as hell.
Fuck this game out there.
Other side.
It's a game out there. Damn, J-Rod, you ain't got no hoodie. You don't feel
He
that
gonna
shit out here,
regret that.
But this shit ain't no joke out here, boys. It's winter is approaching, my G. Y'all ain't got no jackets.
He got hoodies. He bought
I
hoodies.
ain't talking about hoodies. I'm talking about jackets, coats.
It's a little loose. Yeah, I did that one. It's because it's cut in the tile.
Oh.
And yeah, it's a little loose. Oh, forgot those laundry caps. Okay, we're doing the final walkthrough on this house. Everything is looking good. Painted, replaced, everything. This is most definitely ready to go. Just got to do a final clean, but I make sure that it's, clean before the cleaners come. And this is I think Daddy's here. This is the garage. These are the light fixtures that we chose. This is the dining room. Is he here? Oh, then that was the the furnace. But yeah, this is the dining room angle. This is the living room. That's the family room over there with that fireplace. So we had this light fixture was not here previously. My husband, we have to do a little bit of touch-up paint right there, right there, right there, and then opened up the wall all the way down to the switch plate, and he added this light because there was no light. So we just have to do a little skimming right here. If you get close, you can see that. But that will be skimmed over and the paint touched up. This is the half bath down here. Brand new toilet, brand new vanity. This door is kind of like touching and lifting up the paint and showing the previous paint under there. So we most definitely have to touch that up. This is the front door. And we're going upstairs. That's the touch-up paint right there. My cleaning supplies. But yeah. Hardwood floors. This is done. Brand new vanity. Bedroom. Closet. Can you close these windows and lock them for me, Gabe? It's freaking hot up here. Goodness gracious. Like super hot. This is the second bedroom. So these mirrors were up here. We went in ahead and took the mirrors down and just painted. Yeah. The closet, repainted. Carpet. Gabriel. Jason. Okay, so this is the master. It was a fan up there and we replaced it with a flush mount. Okay, new carpet. And this is
Was it like an ugly fan?
the bathroom.
Was it an ugly fan up there, or was it just...
Yeah, it was outdated. It worked, it was operable, but it was outdated, so we opted to switch it out. And here's the double sinks, flooring, tub. Here is the master closet and the toilet. And that is that flush mount. That's the screen that needs to be made to go into that window. And we're pretty much wrapped up. We're closing out. This is the final walkthrough. We just have to have the cleaners in. You heard me when I said close the windows and lock them? You forgot just that quick.
No, I thought Jason was in here.
The kid is hungry. You hungry, huh?
Who?
You.
Yes. Are you hungry?
I'm very hungry. I'm famished. But I still have to keep going until I don't have to go anymore. Goodness. Wait, is more trash right here? Okay, so I have to get this trash up. So the screen, oh, are you hiding? No. So the screen is for here. And that's pretty much it.
Wait, this screen go on this window right here?
Uh-huh. See, Keith was paid to do this. It still got to be made. One in here, in this master bathroom. I know that he didn't think that was. What kind of screen? What the? It has to go on the outside.
Yeah, I know. I'm just seeing if it fits.
It's a different measurement from the inside versus the outside. So you want to put it in?
I mean, yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate that. This is it. Like, I don't know what's going on. Here it is. Just need to replace the faucets right there. And that's it. Oh, this is me looking a mess. Working.